5, 4, 3, 2.
5, 4, 3, 2, and
Action!
action!
Fatima! Yaya! Fatima!
And cut!
Shot!
Okay, good na yan.
He is Rico Ramos. She is Phoebe Walker. Join them as they navigate through life, love, and everything in between. Only on Life with Rick B.
Hello, morning! It's 7:30 ngayon. Papunta ako sa set ng Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa. So, ang shooting namin today ay dyan lang sa Antipolo. Kaya, samahan niyo ako. So, ito ang aming location. Okay, let's go! Morning, Sappy! Hi! Morning po!
Dalawang matikas daw doon, Tidrek.
Saan kaya yung matigas? Ito, nandiyan. Uy, Andrew, ikaw!
Hello po! Morning! Maamor! Good morning po! Mwah. Salamat, kuya. Isa pa. Thank you. Hi, baby girl! This is Anika. Say hi! So, dito yung standby. Yan, maraming salamat po. Morning! Oh, you bought ano na? You bought the fan? Standby! Tenga muna. Yan, dito naka-standby ang mga stylist, art dep. Yan. Hello po mga kuya. Ang mga pogi nating mga kuya. Good morning.
Morning po, mainom kay madam. Nag-aalaga kay madam.
Masarap magtimpla ng iced coffee.
Coffee yan, favorite niya yan. Pampa-energy. Alis ko kayo, hindi natin alam ang galaw ng mga Ha? Hello.
Hello, Direk.
How are you?
Direk Albert Langitan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yan, ito ang office ni Benito Balmores, ni Judge. Ang aming magaling na kontrabida. Masaya mag-kontrabida, Bax. Bax pala yung tawag ko sa friend ko. Yeah, but masaya mag-kontrabida. Despite popular opinion. So this is Carl. Balingkinitan na...
Beauty queen slash makeup artist slash charap lang.
So kung gusto ka for bookings and for other dealings,
Yes.
saan ka mapupuntahan?
Please, punta na kayo sa Facebook ko. Giancarlo Clavisillas.
Okay, I'm ready all dressed up as Rachel. So, ako tayo sa set. Ako tayo sa set. Also, kasi may iba rin standby sa taas. So, pwede rin doon. Para kung sa dati yung mga ibang artista. Pagod na, hindi masyadong mainit sabi. Hindi ka mag-feel. Ganda. Feel na feel mo nga sa Antipolo.
Yeah. Yan ito yung nakahabag.
Baka pwedeng Reyes lang.
I'll see you on Wednesday. Whoa! You're next! Hello. Yes!
Hi. Hi, baby.
Okay, Jordan. Cut.
Hello, kasama ko si... ang cupcake ng bayan. Si Kuya D. Gardo Versosa.
Hello, cupcakes.
Nandito sa Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, kontrabida siya dito. But, you know, in real life, he cannot be opposite. The most opposite talaga ng kanyang personality is one of the nicest and most generous actors I've worked
Thank
with.
you so much, cupcake.
Okay, so we're gonna do quick, lang, slam book.
Nakaka-nervyos.
So, what was your childhood nickname?
Menin came from an aftershave.
Aftershave ng daddy mo.
Yun actually
Yun
yung gamit niya.
talaga.
Pero like may something pa deeper behind it. Ayaw nilang sabihin. And
gamit- gamit
yan
niyo
yung
po ba?
ano. Hindi, wala nang Menin ngayon, di ba?
wala
Kalaban
na
siya
ba?
ni Johnson's dati.
Okay.
Wala, hindi ka pa pinapanganak no. Yes.
Ano naman po, what's your motto in life?
Keep reaching for the sky and yung always keep your feet on the ground. At as much as possible, wala kang matatapakan along the way.
If you weren't an artista, ano ka kaya ngayon?
Pilot.
Pilot!
Nice thing about it is like nakuha nung son namin ngayon. So like he's really into planes, simulators. So hopefully, sana God willing, may tuloy niya yung ano,
Yes.
yung dream ko before.
Libreng sakay ka
Huwag
na
lang yung
nun.
high heels.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Balmores Mansion. So, you know, on Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa, this is one of our prime locations na ginagamit. So, bahay ito nila Gardo Versosa, Sara Labati. Ayan, so makikita mo yung premises. So, siguro mga parang once a week kami dito nagsushoot. Ayan. So, alam niyo, ang character ko dito is Rachel. Best friend ako ni Mercy. And first time ko mag-light character. So, masaya siya. So, tenga ako ngayon. So, ito madalas to mangyari sa set. Yun, so I just try to be productive as I can. Magdadala tayo ng mga i-edit, ganyan. So, let's try to talk to some of my co-actors. Yeah, and I'm here with Kuya Mark, Anthony. The first time we worked together, ano yun, no? Penduko.
Yes. Penduko.
Last MMFF. And then now we're here together again sa Lumuhod Ka sa Lupa. He plays the role of Brando, medyo bad. Lagi po kayo bad boy? Or no?
Sakto lang. Depende sa what nature's calls for.
So mas enjoy nyo ba good boy or bad boy?
Pareho lang. Basta powerful script, okay siya. Basta ma-entertain sila.
Right.
I don't really have a childhood nickname, but my friend up in the States gave me alias called Cram. He called me Cram. A basketball player.
Basketball
Or
player.
a pilot.
Pilot! Same answer
Yeah.
kayo ni Kuya Cupcake. Oh, really? So you're into planes and all that?
I'm not really good with heights, but I just told myself you gotta be a pilot because it looks good, I guess.
Maganda uniform.
Yeah. One quick, I guess just learn from my mistake and just not do whatever mistake I had and have another mistake on the same banana.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah. All right. Great. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Vivi.
Kuya Mark.
More power,
Anthony.
Vivi. Good luck and balata na lang.
Yan na, so kukunan na ako bago mag-sunset.
Ready?
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, and
action!
action!
Fatima! Yaya! Fatima! Ate! Oh my God, nasa iyo po.
And cut!
Shot!
Okay, good na yan.
Mahirapan.
Alright.
Yan, yun na. Alas 8 na po ng gabi, mga kaibigan. And we're still doing a scene with Sarah, having coffee, bilang best friend, lagi nag-FB. I love it. And then after this, we'll do dinner break.
Stand by.
Quiet, everyone! This is Sunday! Action!
And, pasok si Bibi. Ikot pa pa dyan.
Alam mo iniisip mo? Si Abra ba?
Ayan. Cut.
Cut!
I think last sequence na to. It's now 10:20 p.m.
Umiyak ka na nito. Tapos, abang na dito. Pwede siya na po. Dito kayo mag-uusap. Silang dalawa. On action, dumarating sa sakyan. 2 beats, lumalabas si Rachel. Paglabas si Rachel, bumababa si Miss Sarah. Umiyak na siya. Lumapit dito po sila nag-usap.
Sabi niya nagbalik siya para patuloy niyang hanapin ang hustisya. Hustisya ba talaga binalikan niya? O ikaw?
So my pack-up is 11 p.m. Not so bad naman, no? Kaya yun. Hindi naman ganun nakakapagod. Pero syempre, nasa role din yun. So naswerte lang ako na yung role ko ngayon ay mabait. Kaya yun, kung ano po, kung gusto yung mag-artista, di ba kuya, kailangan sanay kang mag-antay ng matagal. Yes. So yun. Thank you for joining me. Hope you had fun and I'll see you sa next vlog.
Bye-bye.
Next on Life with Rick. Are you ready?
Ready? Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you sa pag-video sa akin.
I don't like.
Or do you not have a motto? Okay
I
lang
do,
din.
I do,
Some people
but I
don't have.
guess I don't have a favorite.
Okay.
Stick to my favorite word. Hypothetical. Hypothetical, like I like the word hypothetical. Supergates me into just being motorish. Or a lot of philosophical into that kind of thing before I act. I guess just has to pass through some format before acting. Pass through the philosophical and then just then about.